to another Trendmood Box unboxing. I think this is a more recent one, so hopefully not as many complaints in the comments this time. But anyway, I'll open it up. And in no particular order, I think this is something I already have. The Strivectin Advanced Retinol Nightly Renewal Moisturizer. I might already have that, or I have something in very similar packaging. I'll have to check, but it's still good stuff. I'm not mad about having two of it, because that's useful, so definitely cool with that. From Kinship. Ooh, I like them. This is, what is this? Self-Smooth 10% Glycolic Resurfacing Serum. Ooh, exfoliate, brighten, and nourish. Looks like it has coffee beans and strawberry extract in it. Hell yeah. Overnight sensation. Shake well, apply 3 shakes to cleansed face, neck, and chest in the PM, avoiding the eye area. Start 3 times a week. Build to daily use as tolerated. Okay. I'm excited about that. I'm noticing a retinol theme so far. Okay, what is with the beauty boxes cheaping out lately and throwing in this little Sephora thing? Because it's the same one every time. It's the Sephora Smooth and Blur Primer. It's like an itty-bitty sample size. Like, what is up with this, guys? It's tiny. Like, I'll show you it. It's tiny. I mean, again, like, it's fine. I'll use it, but, like, I don't understand why, like, the Allure box has done it. This has done it. I want to say I had an Ipsy throw it in. I'm like, bro, what is... How much is Sephora paying out to all of the beauty boxes to include this? Just saying. Anyway, so we have a Danessa Myricks Lightwork 4 first look. Ooh, look it. Look it. Oh, the holographic. I love it. Sorry. Anyway, so this is in, what color? Does it say? There is no name, but it's pressed chrome flakes anyway. I guess Lightwork 4 is the name then. What side do we open from? What the frick? There we go. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on, you. Come on out. We want to see you. As in. Hold on. Oh my goodness. It does not want to come out. Fine, I'll open the other side. Maybe you'll come out that side then. And if not, I'll push you through. Haha. Success. Anyway. Ooh. Okay, so the color name is Paradise, but okay, so it looks purple, and then, oh, it's not picking up on camera. That sucks. But it's like a hella, like, lime green reflect in person. Like, can I, like, if I tilt it, whoop. Well, maybe without that in the way, it'll do it, maybe. You kind of. There you go. There you go. Hella cool duochrome, and, like, gold from that side, like, that's so cool. Yeah, I am not over multi-chromes yet. I think they're, like, just the coolest damn thing. So anyway, yeah, swirl finger to activate pressed chrome flakes. Press and glide for an ultra-metallic foiled look. Press and tap for a scattered sparkle effect. Yeah, no, I wanted the foil. I love the foil. Anyway, so I'm really excited for that. Oh my goodness. Just as much trouble as we had getting out of there, we have getting it back in there. Alright. We also have Danessa Myricks Color Fix Mattes. Waterproof matte liquid pigment for eye, lip, and cheek in chocolate. Sounds like it's going to be too dark, but it's also sealed inside a plastic wrap, so I'm going to leave that closed until I actually go to use it. But we also have another one in Desert Rose. So I don't know if these colors on the top are anything to go by, but that's definitely going to be, especially that one, too dark for cheek for me, but we'll see about for lip and eye. They might work better. So we have those. We have a Danessa Myricks Beauty Chrome Amplifier. Ooh! So this tool can also be used with that first thing. Oh, that's cool. So you don't have to jam your finger in it. You can use this instead. Alright, here for that. Ooh, nice. We have a Kapari Moisture Whipped Ceramide Cream. Full size. Hell yeah. Why is that? That should not be open. What the? Alright, now I have to look. What am I hearing? What is in there? It better just be a little loose applicator spoon, because if it's not, what the hell am I hearing? Yeah, it is. Okay, that's all we're hearing is just this little dude here. Yeah, alright. Just making sure nothing's broken in there, because all of a sudden I had this moment of terror of, oh god, I'm having flashbacks, but the one and only time that I got a broken candle in the mail. Apparently a lot of people have trouble ordering them at all without them breaking. I've only ever had it happen once, knock on wood, but I knew the second I picked up that box, it sounded like a baby rattle in it. I was like, ah, fuck, it's broken, isn't it? And I opened it, oh yeah, it was shattered. So, I just had like this flashback moment of, oh fuck, is it broken? Is it like a glass bottle and now it's broken? Oh no, but anxiety queen right here. Anyway. Ooh, it's stupid that I'm as excited for this as I am, but I've seen these and they've been so trendy lately that I'm actually excited to own one. It's from Touchland. It's the Lemon Lime Spritz Power Mist Hand Sanitizer. I'm still waking up, guys. Give me a little slack here, but it's like a spray one, but oh my god, it just, first off, it kind of looks like an iPod Touch, so I love it already. You know, the thing I film on till it dies, but they don't sell them anymore, so, but in general, these things have been like hella trendy in like the past year, and I've wanted one, yet I never like went out and just bought one, but now I have one. So anyway, we also have from e.l.f. a brow lift applicator. It's like a spoolie on one end and like a metal like spatula kind of, I'm not sure if that's the word I'm looking for, on the other end. It's metal, it's flat. I guess spatula is an okay term for it, but like, I feel like there's probably a better name for this particular instrument. I just am not knowledgeable enough to know. I'll ask my mom later, since she was a beautician. I know, you all, you've seen me put on makeup and go, oh my god, you are like the noobiest noob I've ever seen. How the fuck was your mom a beautician? Just shut up, okay? I never said I learned from her, I just said she was one. Anyway, so then the last thing, unsurprisingly, is the e.l.f. Brow Lift Clear Eyebrow Gel. I'm a little concerned with the appearance of that, but that might also just be condensation that I'm seeing. But it's kind of also that same look that lip balms get when they go off. It's too bright to pick it up, I think. I think we're just getting flashback from the lamp. Wait, I almost had it for a second. I almost had it. Tilt. No. Yeah, it's not really working, is it? Well, regardless, trust me when I say it does have like an odd look to it that is making me hella sus. If it's condensation, I'll just wipe it clean when I open it. If it actually looks like that in there, yeah, it's for your eyebrows, but I still don't know how I feel about putting that on my face. It's also possible it's texturing in the acrylic itself, because it almost looks like it goes through to the bottom, so maybe I'm tripping over nothing. I'll have to see it when I open it, because maybe it's literally texturing in the fucking lid, and I'm just stupid, which is entirely possible. It's probably probable, but, like, I'm kind of tripping right now, so. Then we have a couple inserts. Ooh, wow. Instructions for how to use the primer, because we totally didn't know how to use primer. And then a little thing for the Strivectin. So we're not going to read that. I mean, I'll read it off camera, but we're not going to waste time reading it. But anyway, that is it that was in this box. I think this was a pretty good box, honestly. So I'm pretty pleased with it. Hopefully you guys were too. If any of you guys got this one, let me know down in the comments. Let me know which thing was your favorite item you got out of it. And as always, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.